So without wasting time, let's directly cut to the point that how you can get your AdSense approved, whether you need a new AdSense or your AdSense is being disapproved from many times. I'll give you 2 working solutions which will fix your AdSense account just within 2 minutes. And the second solution that I'll share with you works 110%, which can never fail. So you need not to miss the solution number 2, because that is going to solve your problem. So let's first talk about the solution number 1. If you are using AdSense for YouTube, you will get an option on your channel, chat with creator support. And even if you are using Google AdSense for your website or any other thing, you will get this chat option in your Google account. You can find it in Google Drive or any of the Google service. So you have to open up your channel and click on it. And here you have to go with the third option, which is something else. And you will be redirected to the Google support chat. You have to explain your issue here. You have to tell them why your AdSense is not working or why it is being disapproved. And they will tell you that how you can overcome that issue and get your AdSense approved. As this is the Google support, so they will guide you the right thing about your AdSense. But if this solution number 1 does not work, then let's move towards the solution number 2, which is you can get a pre-approved AdSense and use it for your purposes. You can use it with your YouTube channel or with your website or anything else. And how will you do it? You have to open up your Instagram account and find this account, which is how2official0. This is my Instagram account. You have to message me here and I will provide one of my pre-approved AdSense accounts. I have multiple AdSense accounts, you can see here and this one here. Many other approved accounts I have. The price for this pre-approved account will be more than $50 and less than $100. That is the cheapest price for this account you can use for your business purposes. And if you think I'm a scammer or I'm doing it for my personal purposes, then let me show you some proof. Here is my Instagram account opened, and if I open up this inbox from here you can see I had a successful deal. This has nothing to do with AdSense, but this lady needed another service and I had provided it. And if I remember another person from here, this one right here, you can see we had a successful deal. He needed a service and I provided his. Another person, and you can take a look at it here. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I successfully provided it at very low cost. So if you too are unable to get your AdSense approved, you can always message me on Instagram and I will give you an AdSense account which is already approved. You can simply go and log into it and use it for your purposes. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.